Hi there, I'm Drew with Reverie Coffee Roasters. Today I'm going to show you how to brew a French press. We'll begin by preheating the brewer. Remove the lid from the brewer and set aside, then fill the brewer with hot water. Reattach the lid and let the French press warm for several minutes. Next, place a container onto your scale and zero it out. Measure out 50 grams of your preferred whole bean coffee into the vessel. Pour the measured coffee into your grinder and grind to a medium coarse grind, somewhere around the consistency of kosher salt or a bit larger. As always, adjust your grind size to taste. Place your brewer back onto the scale when the coffee is done grinding. Remove the lid from the French press and discard the water. After the brewer is warmed and the water is discarded, we're ready to get started. Pour the freshly ground coffee into the center of the French press. Next, pick up the brewer and shake gently to even the brew bed. Refill your kettle with hot water and get ready to pour. Whenever you're ready, tear your scale, start your timer, and grab your kettle. Starting at the center, pour in small, concentric circles out to the edge of the brewer and then return to the center. Continue pouring until your scale reads 700 grams. At this point, grab something to stir with and gently stir the coffee front to back several times. Set aside when complete. Reattach the lid to the brewer with the plunger all the way up. Your coffee is ready whenever the timer hits 7 minutes. Remove the brewer from the scale and slowly depress the screen down. Your coffee is now ready to serve. To finish, pour into your favorite vessel and enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to catch all of our new videos as they come out, or give us a follow online at Reverie Roasters.